I know, we have wasted a lot of money demonstrating. Alright, so what do you guys think the force is now? We have some fall protection. What should it bring us down to?
1,500.
1,500?
600.
600? So fall protection is supposed to keep you with under 1,800. Okay? So what happens if I pull this right now?
Technically it won't, but the weight hit the floor because you're not...
You paid attention. I give you another half. You already got one. Yes, because of the fall clearance, this is going to expand 4 feet. This would hit the ground. So we're going to raise the roof. Plenty of clearance here. That's why those aren't always the best. It won't expand 4 feet today because of the distance it's going to catch it, but that can expand a total of 4 feet. Alright, so give this a pull. 3, 2, 1. Right? You saw it was a much more controlled descent. It didn't bounce. It's around 800. Alright, so it takes off a ton and a half. Special tape that can go on anything. Keep all your tools. So the reason why they started in 2017, I know there was no Amazon yet. Some delivery driver was delivering a package a block and a half away from this high rise. So the dude was over there doing work, dropped his tape measure. It wasn't tethered. Bounced on the scaffolding, hit the dude a block and a half away in the head and killed him. That guy had some bad karma or something, right? So now we tether tools. We make one for everything. Drills, screwdrivers. We make all these pouches that you had those screws in your pocket you don't want, put them in these pouches, nothing falls out. I don't know how. And it keeps all the screws and everything inside. These 300-pound buckets, green to green, really easy to open. So when you're climbing up the mast to the top with all your tools, you can keep it in here. When it's on red, it can hold 300 pounds. You can open it. Just go to the corner. Opens real easy. Alright, that's how it comes out. These are our trauma straps. One side has a hook, one has a bunch of loops. Reach down to the one closest to your knee. And then you can step on this. And this will relieve all that pressure, right? So that it gives you longer to be rescued. That's all it's about, is trying to extend the time that you're hanging there to get rescued, okay? Any questions on harnesses?